Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. Hey friends, this is I Will Follow in the key of B flat, and this is a simple way to chord along to this song. Hope you love how simplified it is and find joy playing. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will find the chord sheet that I have prepared for you, and it'll make a lot more sense. All right, so this is not typically a key I teach in, just because I tend to stick to the simplified way. B flat is it's not as enjoyable to play for myself or guitarists typically, but that's just me. I know a lot of people do. So anyway, let's jump right into it. So the main chords that we have in this song are B flat, E flat, F, and then we have a G minor. So I'm going to strip it down to the basics. So relax. Here we go. All right. So G minor, let's start out with B flat, since that's the first chord in the key of B flat. So we have B flat, D, F, and it kind of has this curved line to it. Do you see those three notes? Black, white, white. Okay. That's a B flat. That's probably the craziest chord that you're going to play in this song. Then we have E flat, and I'm going to play it down here. Okay. E flat, G, B flat. Okay, then we have F chord, F, A, C. Okay, and then we have a G minor. And if you move up one set of notes where you're at right there and play this black note in the middle, you're going to play G, B flat, D. And this is a minor chord. This is a G minor. Okay, G major was here, and G minor moved the third finger down a half step. Okay, so that's minor. All right, so let's review those four chords since you're going to be playing them a lot, okay? B flat. See if I can play them in the order I did. E flat. And then F. And then G minor. Okay, those four chords. All right, let's play single notes in our left hand. We're going to keep it simple here. So I would put F, thumb on F is how I'm going to do it. You can find a position that you can find this 5-note spread that you don't really have to move this hand the whole song. And I'm going to play F to F, G minor to G, okay, B flat to B flat in the bass, and then we have, I might play the E flat up there. There's a lot of flexibility. If you want to play it up here, you can. If you want to come down here and play the chord down here, that's okay. All right, so let's talk about the rhythm that's going to bring the two hands together. So it's 1-to-2 ratio because it's a 4/4 time signature song, and it's going to go like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Just a nice marching rhythm to get you started, okay? Give you a foundation to play this song. So you could just practice that on your lap, practice that on the keyboard with different chords, just to get your hand into playing this basic rhythm. All right, I'm going to sing through verse or the intro there so you could see how it sounds when we add in vocals. All right, here we go. Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. Where you move, I'll move. I will follow. Boom. All your dreams are good, or all your ways are good. So that's just kind of the intro that gets us into this song. So let's just talk about some patterns or some repetition things that you're going to see in this song. So let's see, verse 1 and 2 are the same. So there's repetition there. They're the exact same, I believe. Yep. Okay, then the intro is the same chords as your chorus. Okay, so that's a bulk of your song. I mean, and then you got your bridge. That's E flat, E flat, B flat, F that just repeats over and over and over. And then it has the ending there. So really this is pretty simple once you get your hands used to playing the chords and where they go. So you might want to remove your left hand altogether and just play right hand only until you become familiar with the chord progression of where you're going. But break it into sections. Learn the verses and then learn the chorus and the intro are the same, and then learn your little bridge that just kind of repeats those three chords, and you got it. All right. So let's go through verse 1, or the intro, excuse me, slowly together. Like I said, I'm probably going to put F on here, F on pinky, and line up my 5 fingers and keep them there. And then I'm probably just going to scooch open when I play that E. But like I said, this is just kind of a foundation to play. You can have some flexibility. If you find a different position that you want to scoot your hand to, that's totally okay too. All right, let's start with that rhythm going slow. Where you go, E flat is where I'm going to swing open my left hand and play this thumb here. And then E flat here. Go where you stay, I'll stay. Okay, and then B flat, sorry. Stay when you move, I'll F chord. Move, I will follow. G minor is right next door there. Oh, E flat. Oh, B flat. Oh, F. And then it goes into verse 1. Okay, let's swing into that. All your ways are G minor. Good, all your ways are F. Sure, I will B flat. Trust in F. You alone. E flat, E flat. Higher than my sight, G minor. High above my F. Life, I will B flat. Trust in F. You alone, E flat. Oh. Okay, so that's the verse 1 and 2. That you could just repeat that portion of the training if you want to do verse 1 and 2. Learn that in a section. Okay, let's go on to the chorus. So you're just coming off that I will trust in you alone. Here's the G minor. Where you go, I'll E flat. Go where you stay, I'll stay. B flat. When you move, I'll F chord. Move, I will follow. G minor. So this just repeats itself. See that? G minor, E flat, B flat, F. G minor, E flat, B flat, F. It's just repetitive. Whom you love, I'll E flat. Love who you serve, I'll serve. B flat. If this life I F. Lose, I will follow. Okay, you're just repeating that 4 group of chords again. You, E flat, B flat, F. Okay, and then it goes into verse 2, which we already did. Let's look at that bridge. So you're going to repeat this E flat, B flat, F over and over. Okay, so you might just want to go through that with your chords right hand only, just so you get used to where's the E flat, okay, where's the B flat, okay, F, and then you'll get into a rhythm when you start repeating it. In you, there's B flat, life ever, F, lasting, E flat. In you, there's B flat, freedom, F. For my soul, E flat. In you, there's B flat. Joy and F ending. Joy, and I will follow. Okay, then it merges back into the chorus, I believe. Okay, where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. When you move, I'll move. Okay, and you can kind of block chord through some of that to break up that choppy rhythm a little bit until you kind of figure out your own way that you want to add pizzazz to the song. All right. Okay, go back to the beginning, print out that chord sheet. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Why don't you hop along with me? If you mess up, just find your next line that you can hop in with me, and you can do it. I believe in you. Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. When you move, I'll move. I will follow you. Oh, oh. All your ways are good, all your ways are sure. I will trust in you alone, higher than my sight, high above my life, and I will trust in you alone. Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. When you move, I'll move. I will follow you. Whom you love, I love. Whom you serve, I'll serve. If this life I lose, I will follow you. Light into the world, light into my life. I will live for you alone. You're the one I seek, knowing I will find all I need in you alone, in you alone. Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. When you move, I'll move. I will follow you. Whom you love, I'll love. Whom you serve, I'll serve. If this life I lose, I will follow you. In you there's life everlasting. In you there's freedom for my soul. In you there's joy, unending joy. And I will follow. Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. When you move, I'll move. I will follow. Whom you love, I love. Who you serve, I'll serve. If this life I lose, I will follow you. If this life I lose, I will follow. Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. When you move, I'll move. I will follow you. Whom you love, I love. Whom you serve, I'll serve. If this life